All right, so I've been meaning to do an update video on how I hang the sunshade. This has been stored in our shed for the past few months over winter time, but now it's late April and it's starting to get pretty warm in Louisiana, so I'm ready to hang it back up. These two corners, this one and that one, are still just hanging on normal screws. So you can see, I think I used a screw on the right there. And then down at this corner, I forgot which one of these screws I used, but probably that one. So those are kind of stationary there. But this corner that goes to that tree, I've implemented over there on the tree, as long as that corner on the corner of the house, some a different approach to try to keep it taut throughout the warm season. So I'll show that. But basically over here, what I've done is I've gone to using bungee cords. I've got a hook down there. The bungee cord hooks on, and it goes up there to my my pulley. It's hanging on a screw, and then that carabiner hooks to the corner of the canopy. And I've got the same kind of idea going on over here on this tree. With the bungee cord and carabiners. So here's the carabiners, so it makes it easy to hook on to the cover. And then I've got my bungee cord here that's screwed into the tree going up here. And basically I did that to to keep it taut while it's up and to make it easy to take down if there's a bad storm coming. And basically by just adjusting the length of the rope attached to it. So I'll just show real quick how I hang it up. It doesn't take long to take it up and or put it up and take it down. It's gonna be hard to show with one hand, but basically got my bungee cord hooked down there, so it's going up there, like I said. Then it hooks onto the string or rope right there, goes over my pulley, and then comes to the carabiner. And so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna hook the two carabiners first, and then once those are hooked on, then I'll hook it onto the screws on the carport. So let me hook this to the edge of my canopy. All right, so there it is, hooked to the first corner. That's really the only easy one. Now I'm gonna have to basically stretch it out every time I make another connection, but that's easy to hook. I'm gonna hook this one over to the one in the tree over there, and that actually comes way out here, so I'll go grab that. All right, so here's my other one. You can see the string going all the way from the tree and the bungee cord to the second corner. Now I just got to hook those last two onto the screws I put onto the carport. I'm gonna use my little ladder for that. Okay, there's the third corner on the hook there. Now just the last one over there. All right, got my last one hooked, and there's a canopy. So as you can see, this is I guess it's the second year. No, this is the third year we've hung this. The first year we only hung it for about a month before winter hit. It was up all last year for the warm months. And so it's the beginning of the third year. So it's held up pretty good. Held up in storage, great. You can see it's still usable, still taut with the bungee cords. So hopefully we get another good year out of it. And again, that took me less than 5 minutes to get set up. So once you get the tie-off points figured out, it's pretty quick to go up and down, especially if you've got those carabiners like I do. So I guess the last thing I'll show is just kind of a quick safety thing I do. These bungee cords, I do kind of worry, if this was to come off or break loose, I don't want these hooks flying and hit somebody in the eye or something. So I do tie a bit of string or rope around the hook there. So this is just if this is to fail. This will keep this bungee cord from flinging off somewhere. You can see I've done the same thing over here. Just it's not really doing anything right now. It's just attached to it, but if it was to fail, that would keep it from flying off somewhere. See, it's kind of loose. And I have the same thing on the other bungee cord. I've got a couple of strings tied around it to in case the ends were to fail, the bungee cord's not going to spring around and hurt anybody. So that's it. Hope this is useful, and yeah, that helped somebody out. Thanks for watching.